When you're ready, raise up your knee until it reaches 90 degrees. What you do with your knees, of course, varies according to the height of the target. Vertical targets, such as the abdomen, solar plexus, or jaw, are kicked with the front of the foot, while horizontal ones, such as the genitals or target, are kicked by the top of the foot. When using the front part of your foot, all toes should be bent over before the front of the foot can come forth. In succession, push your waist forward and kick. At this time, be cautious of your waist, kicking foot, and supporting foot. Pull your waist back when you execute the front kick. This will deliver power to the opponent effectively, since power is produced by both a curved motion of the foot and by the straight motion of the waist working together on the target. If you attack with only a curved motion of your foot, your kick will not be strong enough to inflict significant damage. The turning angle of the supporting foot varies depending on how much we use our waist. The ideal angle of the foot is 45 degrees when we turn the waist. A bigger angle is made when you pull your waist backward too much. The latter case causes problems because the slanted weight on one side prevents you from taking your original position back. This is a motion to check the reaction of your opponent. What is important here is that your pose must be balanced and your kick must be fast and short. Helps you to develop alacrity in kicking. From a standing position, make fast and consecutive kicks, hopping on one foot, keeping your heel up. This exercise helps to attain the ability to use both feet equally. Keep your upper body straight and make fast and consecutive. Place your weight on the front foot and try kicking by using the bouncing force of your body and knee. Then, resume the initial position. Again, begin with low kicks. By reducing the foot angle. Focus on kicking the upper, not the lower part. From the ready position, lift the knee up to a 90-degree angle with the front kick. Next, turn the leg 170 to 180 degrees radically by means of the waist and the front part of the foot. At this time, be careful of the angle of your waist and outer thigh and the turning degree of the supporting foot. Also, make sure the kicking leg is parallel to the ground. The moment you twist your waist after lifting the leg, the waist should be in a straight line with the supporting foot. At this moment, some turning force takes place by twisting the waist and the kicking foot. If you transfer this force to the target through the thigh and lower leg, it will be very effective. Here, I'll give you some more details about the turning force, that is, the spiral force. 70% of the human body is water. Therefore, striking a human body is like striking a water balloon. To strike such elastic objects, effectively you need some spiral force. If you kick only with a straight line force, the power will be dispersed. But if you put some spiral force into your kick, the power will go inside the target, which doubles the power's effectiveness. When you start practicing roundhouse kicks early on, focus on making the kicking leg parallel to the floor in the right motion. When you need fast roundhouse kicks, like in matches or when sparring, it is effective to lift the foot diagonally quickly and kick by snapping your leg and ankle. The moment you turn the body, the supporting foot is twisted 170 to 180 degrees. This angle comes about when the waist and thigh are both on a toward position, to the 90-degree position. Second, turn the leg 170 to 180 degrees radically, using the power of your waist and the supporting foot. If you turn your body much faster, the heel of your foot will be slanted up. Take this position and at the same time throw a fast kick. This way you can smash down your foot, which is very powerful in itself. Third, drag the kicking foot back to the initial position and get ready. Then kick repeatedly, using the lower leg only. Relax without your weight fully loaded on either one foot and lean your body instantly to make a kick. At this moment, make sure not to make a kick after the upper body lies, nor to load the body weight on either foot to kick fast before you start leaning. From the ready position, turn your body slightly to the side, then raise your knee slightly and put it close to your body. If you don't pull it tight enough, your attack cannot be strong. Second, turn the supporting foot 170 to 180 degrees and stretch the kicking leg powerfully and kick with the outer part of the foot. And stretching of the kicking foot should be executed with a curved line, which lessens the striking force. Finally, draw the kicking foot back and assume the ready position. This exercise is to strengthen your leg stretching power and correct the angle of your upper body and leg. Lie on your side and take the position. Fold the knee to the chest and stretch kick to make your shoulder and leg form a straight line. This helps beginners to get balance when they perform the side kick. Don't try to kick too fast, but rather separate the motions and focus on each kick itself. Exercise helps to gradually heighten your kick. Begin with the low-level target, and when you think you've adjusted enough, raise your target level. From the ready position, shift your weight to the front. Pull your hip back a little and turn the upper body a little. At this moment, lift both heels and turn them 160 to 170 degrees. Place your sight to the front over your left shoulder. Be careful of the angle and shape of the foot lifted, the pulling and turning degree of the upper body, and the knee of the supporting leg. The angle of the lifted foot. Second, raise your kicking foot up to the inside. You should move the upper body to an angle of 45 to 70 degrees when you raise your knee and kick. At this angle, you can throw an accurate kick with. If you turn your shoulder too much, you may not be able to stretch your foot successfully to the target. The moment you make this motion, the knee of the supporting leg needs to be bent a little. This is to help you react to any following situation and bounce the knee to kick strongly. Next, stretch the heel to kick as the kicking foot grazes the left knee of the supporting leg. The point of this is to stretch the foot straight to the target at the second step. Finally, drag the kicking foot back to the initial position and get ready. This exercise is to help beginners get balance for performing the back kick. As I've shown before, you must separate submotions and practice each one slowly while holding the chair. Exercise is to help you kick as fast as athletes. When you turn from the ready position to do the back kick, take a step back and back kick. This exercise is to counterattack your opponent. Place the right foot forward, move it back, and execute the back kick right away. Begin with separate motions and practice each step. Cross feet and back kick. With the kicking foot ahead, cross your feet quickly and execute the back kick.